Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the number of decibels in the My Currency Converter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And as you can see, look for the number of decimals section, and you can set it to automatic, or you can just set it manually yourself. So just click on the white circle if you want to set it automatic, and if not, then just set it yourself. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.